Hello, a warm welcome to everyone. My name is Professor M.S. Rao. I have authored 22 books on leadership and success. I have published around 250 articles in various international journals such as Leader to Leader, Leadership Excellence, and various journals of SAYS, Emerald, and Chief Learning Officer. And recently, one of my books titled 21 Success Sutras for Leaders, which has been published by Pearson, has been ranked as one of the top 10 leadership books in the world by San Diego University. I have authored a book titled Student Leaders Growing from Students to CEOs. This book has been published by Shroff Publishers, India. This book basically I have written because I am a follower of Swami Vivekananda. I have read many of his books. And this year we are celebrating 150th birthday anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. As a mark of respect to this legend, I have written this book, and also students are very close to my heart. I am passionate about Indian students, so I have dedicated this book to some of the students who are very close to my heart. This book is basically about students and how to build them as leaders. I have a vision to build 1 million students as global leaders. That's the vision I am having. That's the lifetime target goal I am having, to build 1 million students as global leaders. Because of that vision and the passion towards my Indian students, I have chosen teaching as a profession, which is a blessed profession, and already have trained around 15,000 students so far, and I am in the process of training more and more students to build them as great leaders. So this book is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 talks about student leadership. Part 2 talks about 11 success sutras for students, and part 3 talks about how students can be groomed as CEOs. In the part 1 it talks about student leadership. It contains blueprint how students can be made as leaders. In fact, this is the first book in India which talks about building students as leaders. And since I am passionate about students, I have created my own blueprint where various stakeholders are required. In the sense, students have to take initiative, faculty have to take initiative, educational institutions have to take initiative, and NGOs have to take initiative, industry has to take initiative in order to groom them as leaders. So I have come out with a blueprint that is useful for not only students but also for the trainers and teachers who are into campus recruitment training and who are very keen to build youth leaders and student leaders. So in the second section it talks about 11 success sutras. These sutras will help students to become successful professionals. And the third section talks about how students can become CEOs. It provides various tools and techniques, how they can fast track their career, how they can become CEOs. It contains various aspects such as 21 tools to manage your time, how to manage change, and what is introvert personality and extrovert personality. Various things have been mentioned. It also talks about Abdul Kalam's topic, that is what I would like to be remembered for. I am fortunate to have attended Abdul Kalam's meeting in this year. So I have been inspired by his message. So I wrote an article and included into it. Dr. Abdul Kalam is kind enough to give me permission to use his pledge, which I have incorporated in this book, which is a value addition for this book. And this book talks about how you can become a legend. It provides various blueprint, various ways, steps, how you can become a legend. This book has been endorsed by various international management thinkers such as Vijay Govindarajan, Deepak Jain, the Dean of INSEAD, Bill Treasurer, Marshall Goldsmith. Various prestigious management thinkers have endorsed this book, and Barry Passner, who is the author of the famous book Leadership Challenge, has written forward for this book. So this book is very much useful not only to the students but also to the educators, so that they can learn the ropes of making leaders. And it's also useful for CEOs, it is also useful for various learners, it is useful for all people, because it contains various aspects to become a successful leader and also to become a CEO. So I implore you to read this book and acquire various aspects of student leadership to become a successful leader and also to become a successful CEO. Thank you very much.